Other way. This way in there. This side in here.
Daddy, do it.
Daddy, do it. Okay. Let's give it a go.
Cow. Cow. Moo.
Cow. The cow says moo. Okay, let's put the fence up. Here's the fence. We'll put the fence at the front of our farm. Okay.
Cow.
Can we have a look at your cow?
Moo.
The cow says moo. Can we have a look at your cow? Oh, where's he going?
What?
Oh, he's standing on the fence.
What?
Walking. It's a walking cow.
Yay, cow.
Can we have a look at your cow? Thank you. You have a look at the sheep. Here is Marley's cow.
Cow shed.
Cow shed? Oh no, here's the cow.
What? What?
Walk. The sheep's walking along the fence.
Yay, ba.
Bah.
Yay.
Can we have a look at the sheep?
What?
Walk. The sheep's walking. Can we have a look?
That way.
That way? This way? Oh, thank you. Here is the sheep. Let's have a look at Marley's sheep.
Daddy. Daddy.
Looks like Marley's got a rooster now.
Daddy.
This is actually the sheep.
Daddy. Daddy.
Is that? Oh, that's the daddy chicken, isn't it? A rooster is the daddy chicken.
Mommy. 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 Cow.
Can we have a look at the? This is the
Mommy
rooster.
cow.
Mummy cow.
Yeah.
Well, this is the daddy chicken, which is called a rooster. What sound does a
Oh.
Marley? What sound does a rooster make?
Daddy. Dad.
Can you say cock-a-doodle-doo?
Daddy.
I like that one. Here's your rooster. There's the rooster.
Daddy.
What have we got next?
Hi.
What have we got now?
Daddy. Ho.
That's a horse. What sound does the horse make? Oh, click clop. Click clop.
Daddy.
Is that a daddy horse? Is it?
Yeah.
And what sound does a horse make?
Daddy straight.
Daddy, what is it? Click clop. Click clop. We
No.
haven't-
There.
There.
Boom.
Oh no.
Boom.
Oh no. Can we have a look at your horse?
So nice.
But that's a cow. We've already had a look at the cow. Can we have a look at the horse?
Bat. Box.
What is it?
Bat box.
Oh, there's black spots on it. Has it? Can we have a look?
That way. That way.
That way you can see the black spots, can you? Or stripes.
Daddy.
Is that the daddy horse?
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Daddy horse. Thank you. This is the cow. We've already had a look at the cow. Can we have a look at the horse? Thank you. Here's our horse.
My child dead.
Who's dead?
My child.
Your cow's dead. What happened to your cow? Here's the horse.
Yes. Open this.
What is it?
Open this.
Caterpillars?
Open this. Open this.
Open this.
Yeah.
That's where the milk comes out of the cow. That's where the milk comes out.
Teat.
Teat. It is a teat. Where we're up to the pig. Can we do the pig now? What sound does a pig make?
Oh, ouch!
Ouch or oink? Oink, oink, oink.
Ouch!
Out. Oink, oink, oink. Can we have a look at your pig?
What butt?
What is it?
What butt?
Warm spots.
Big butt.
Big,
Big rocks.
big rocks.
Root beach. Root beach.
Oh, a big pig?
Yay, beach.
Big pig. Let's have a look at the pig.
Daddy peach.
This is actually a mummy pig.
Mommy too.
Mummy pig, isn't it?
Daddy. Daddy.
There's the mummy pig.
Daddy.
What about the goat?
Daddy.
Oh, that's a daddy pig, is it? You sure?
Mommy.
Oh, it's a mummy pig. What about this one? Who's this?
Goat.
Goat.
Butt.
Black spots on the goat. Oh, okay. And has it got horns?
Is.
Ears. It's got ears and horns. And a little
Butt.
black feet.
Butt feet.
Black feet. Doesn't it? The goat has black feet.
My butt feet.
Has Marley got black feet too? Can we have a look at your goat?
What?
Oh, the goat's walking along the fence.
Yay, goat.
Yay, goat.
Yay, goat.
Yay, goat. Can we have a
Your knee.
horse? No. No.
Down.
No. Down, horse. Can we have a look at your goat?
Hop.
Hop. Hop, says the goat.
Ease.
Ears on the goat. Horns on the goat.
I want ease.
You like the ears of the goat?
Say.
Side. Can we have a look at your goat?
Butt.
He's got black feet, doesn't it?
My butt feet.
What about the chicken?
My butt feet.
What about this chicken? Can we have a look at your goat? Can we have a look at the chicken?
Yellow chicken.
Here's the goat.
Yellow chicken.
The
Daddy.
mummy chicken.
Daddy.
We'll have a look at the chicken. Here's the mummy chicken.
My daddy. My daddy.
Oops.
Oops.
Here it is.
My daddy.
Oh, there we go. And what about this one?
What?
Here's the turkey.
Daddy. Daddy. Daddy.
Here's the turkey.
Daddy.
That's the daddy chicken, isn't it? That's the rooster.